Banana egg cakes without oven sounds too good to be true, right? But today I'll show you how to make this super delicious dessert using just a pan. No baking, no complicated tools, just pure deliciousness. All you need are 2 simple ingredients: 2 ripe bananas and 2 eggs. That's it. Of course, we'll add a little sugar and flour to bring everything together. But the star of the show is definitely the banana and egg combo. First things first, let's prep our bananas. Peel them and cut into small pieces about 2 centimeters thick. Don't chop too tiny because we want some nice banana chunks in every bite. Set them aside for now. Now grab a mixing bowl and crack 2 eggs into it. Now add sugar, as much or as little as you like. Whisk well until the sugar has completely dissolved and the eggs become fluffy and frothy. Pour some fresh milk into the egg and sugar mixture. The milk not only adds a creamy taste but also makes the cake more tender and moist. Plus, it helps the batter become silky smooth, which results in a lighter texture when cooked. Now use a sieve to sift the flour into the egg mixture. Sifting does 2 great things. It gets rid of any clumps and adds air into the flour, which results in a lighter, fluffier cake. A smooth, lump-free batter is the secret to a perfect banana egg cake. Now take your whisk and beat the mixture: flour, eggs, fresh milk, and sugar continuously until it becomes smooth and velvety. The batter should be thick enough to leave a trail when you lift the whisk, and completely free of any lumps. This smooth, silky texture is the key to achieving a beautifully tender and evenly cooked banana egg cake. If the mixture is not thick enough, add a little more flour through the sieve and continue whisking until it reaches the right consistency: smooth, thick, and slightly sticky. Where are you watching this video from? Please comment below to let me know. It's great to see us from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe by pressing the subscribe button. It's wonderful to see your support. Now place the pan over low-medium heat. First, arrange the banana pieces evenly across the pan. Spread them out so each cake gets a good amount of banana. This way every bite is packed with that sweet, creamy banana flavor. Don't overcrowd them, give each piece some space. Now slowly pour the batter over the bananas. Pour it gently so the batter covers each banana piece completely. The batter will spread and fill the gaps, creating a beautiful golden disc. Keep the heat low so the cakes cook evenly without burning. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll see bubbles forming on top. That's how you know it's cooking perfectly. The edges will start to turn golden brown and crispy. Don't rush this part. Low and slow is the way to go. When the bottom is beautifully golden and the top appears to have firmed up, it's time to bake the cake. Use a spatula to gently separate the pancake from the pan. For easier flipping, drop a small pat of butter into the pan and let it melt and spread evenly. The butter creates a non-stick surface, adds a lovely richness to the cakes, and helps them turn perfectly golden and fragrant. Cook the other side for another 2 minutes until it's equally golden and crispy. The banana caramelizes beautifully against the hot pan, giving you that sweet, slightly smoky flavor. Your kitchen will smell absolutely amazing right now. Once both sides are perfectly golden, transfer your banana egg cake to a serving plate. Look at that gorgeous color, golden brown with little caramelized banana spots everywhere. It looks like a pancake but tastes so much better. You can enjoy it warm right away, or let it cool down a bit. Either way, it's incredibly soft on the inside and delightfully crispy on the outside. The banana chunks become sweet and jammy while the egg batter turns into a fluffy, tender cake. Video Ket Tuk Tai Day. Nu ban ko bat ky ninzet gi vui long de lai bin luan bin dui. Nu ban the video Thursday 6 hey cho twi moti like nay. Dung quain chia se video voi nuoi them va ban bi qua ban. Hey no dang ky ken. Cam on suung ho qua kak ban. Tam beat. Hen gap lai trong video teep theo.